How to remove Rockstar account from Epic Games. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can remove Rockstar account from Epic Games. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you want to remove Rockstar account from Epic Games, you have to simply go to support.rockstargames.com and log into your Rockstar account first. Then after you do that, here you can see account support. Go to account support and go to Rockstar Games account. Then here you'll find account linking, so just make sure to go to account linking option there, and as you've done that, over here you'll see all these sorts of information such as enter your PSN online ID, the description, the upload ID, and so on. So you just got to go ahead and then enter your email address here in the description tab. Make sure to enter your respective description. Then you can just type in your upload and click on submit web ticket option. Just in the description, let them know that you want to unlink your Epic Games account from which is linked to your Rockstar account, and when you do that, they will be able to unlink it for you. So I hope this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.